So good morning, it's now the next day. I didn't get to film too much last night just because it got quite late by the time we got there. It was about a 3.5 hour journey from our second location to the hotel yesterday. So this morning you join me in quite an interesting place. We're at a private airfield in Kent, and we're currently just driving along the runway or a section of the runway that's not currently being used, to scope out the surface to see what it's like for Jonny for his world record attempt. So yeah, join me on this quite exciting day where we will be having some fun at this airport. And apologies for the quality of this if it's bad quality. I'm using my iPhone because everything else is in the boot, but I didn't want to miss this moment. So yeah, catch up soon. Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. So this is actually a part 2 of a series that I'm doing, which I follow the journey of filming a documentary from start to finish. This documentary is going to be about JD Stunts, who's performing a world record for the fastest speed to be dragged behind a motorcycle whilst on titanium plates. If you're keen to find out more about this world record attempt, go check the description for more information. Until then, enjoy the video. So I'm in the boot, well, in the back of the car. It's horrible with other people around.
Just said, so I'm in the boot of the car.
I'm all red now as well. So I'm now in the back of the car. Just got Jonny there measuring the distance for the first attempt, and I've got Trev kindly driving us so I can hang out the window. So yeah, we're just using at the moment the FX3 with the nice lens on it, just so that I'm easy to zoom in and out and get nice and close. And then I'm actually filming back on my GoPro now instead of my phone, so the quality should be a little bit better. But yeah, this is it. Manston Airport, going down the runway, just checking the surface, giving it a measure.
Down there, driving it.
Yeah.
I like the yellow line thing because you can sight it in.
Yes. Yeah, it keeps you straight, doesn't it?
Yeah, you can use it for armpit. Keep looking down and
0.9 kilometres pretty much, 1897.
Would you do a loop around them? Just like circle around them? So where are we? What is it?
Got arm pump now. More arm pump than holding onto a 200 horsepower Ninja H2SX, I think. But we at the concrete patch now. This would be the patch where I would be allowed to run into, already at some speed, maybe, I don't know what.
So that's the measuring done, and some of the things that we're looking out for is things like this on the floor, because if you hit that at some considerable speed, then it's going to be not a very good day for you. So that's 2 kilometers from there all the way down to the very end, where you can't actually see all the way down the very end. I know GoPro's super wide, but I still can't see it with my eyes. But yeah, very, very long way. And hopefully you can get up to speed, jump off and slow down and jump back on in that kind of space. So quite an interesting old airport this anyway. There's lots of different things going on, lots of abandoned old buildings. If I was here just to take photos, I'd love to have been exploring a few of those. And obviously when there's open road and track like this, you just want to drive like a lunatic, but the Dacia is not very quick.
Hands will be on here. As soon as I go over that,
so we'll give that one a miss for today. I'm ready for you.
Nice look, bro.
Thanks.
Gotta get a photo of this. Out of the chocolate room. No handbrake.
good. Go for it.
Filming while I haven't got my leathers on and go from that type of thing. Keep it for yourself, and then once you see that Kawasaki's announced it, it's pretty good, right?
It looks really good.
Right.
Would you turn your box off?
Yes.
Thank you.
Do you want my phone for this one? For the reel?
I'll do it this way.
Will that work for the reel?
Yeah, it will. Cool.
So I'll go back to it.
Just so you can see.
1 second.
That's what it will look like,
That's pretty good, isn't it?
reel wise. Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. You're happy? Not too. It's not too zoomed in because I want to see the bike
Yeah, exactly.
mainly.
Well, you could do 2
One far, one tight.
and then jump in between.
Yeah, yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah, yeah. Top speed. I'm not too sure yet, but I think they're limited anyway at 160 years. So it must be about that, mate. Hopefully. What we're going to do is film a trailer for us, so. Johnny Davies here from JD Sons.
Yep.
This year I'm going to be attempting to break the Guinness World Record for the fastest speed drag behind a motorcycle.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'll say that.
Yeah. Count to 10 nice and loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9.
Perfect. Yep, that's great. You've passed. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Johnny Davies here. This year I'm going to be attempting to break the Guinness World Record for the fastest speed drag behind a motorcycle. Yeah, that'll be the first bit.
Yeah, that's nice.
Right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait, I'm going to zoom in a bit.
I'm going to be strapping some titanium plates to my feet before jumping off this brand new Kawasaki Ninja H2SX. Jumping off the back, then applying this thumb operated throttle before trying to achieve the speed of over 156 miles an hour while getting dragged upon my feet. Dragged along on my feet. So we'll try that one again.
Yeah, that was really, really good though, okay?
Yeah. So
okay, go.
we're going to be strapping some titanium plates to me. Johnny Davies here. This year I'm going to be attempting to break the Guinness World Record for the fastest speed drag behind a motorcycle. The plan is to strap some titanium plates to my boot before jumping on this brand new Kawasaki Ninja H2SX. Get to around 50 miles an hour before climbing off the back seat, jumping on the floor, landing on the titanium plates. Once comfy, I'll be then operating the thumb throttle. Plan is to reach of speeds of over 156 miles an hour. The current record is set by the legend Gary Rothwell, which he set in 1999 and no one has ever attempted it since. We're all excited. If you're excited, please stay tuned. And if you want to get involved, please get in touch.
Check if I can hear him all right.
Well, then I'm just warming the car up. I take you don't want any audio on in the car?
Yeah, just off if that's okay.
Yeah, no worries.
Have I got the I was like, someone's got it because I can hear it rustling.
Wireless.
Me.
You don't need to hear me.
Because that's the... No, you're okay. If you
You're
just...
in the car with us.
I can put that in there.
That sounds great.
Is that alright?
Yeah, for now, we'll see how windy it gets, but... Yeah, awesome, mate. Looks wicked.
The keys are in right
Is it?
now. Of having to hold it on you. Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you fall as well, it might hurt.
Yeah, I'm not exactly. You didn't really want it in your chest, did you?
That's right, I'm just getting, you know, little snippets of stuff just so that we can...
flashing?
Yeah, I am flashing. Yeah, I'll jump in now.
Sponsor.
Yeah. Ashtrays, wow.
Yeah, buddy. This is luxury.
No cup holders.
No cup holders.
Ashtrays, no cup holders.
Well, I need this little ping. Yeah. I don't want to ruin his. No, that's
Will mine ping?
I don't think so.
Cool, that's right.
Just front ones.
Yeah?
First ride.
Oh, wait.
On the,
Yeah. Not too loud because it peaks otherwise. Cool, go for it.
First ride on the Ninja H2SX. Let's see what the supercharger feels like. Never ridden a bike with force induction before, so I guess this will be something different. Cool.
Thank you for driving us, driver. Appreciate that. Oh, actually, do you know what, Johnny? I'm going to get a spare battery just in case. I've just got a feeling. Can I put that on your lap? Is that all right? Thank you. If we get a chance, we'll get some photos of him. So, just about to go and test the bike for the first time. A little bit quicker with Johnny. Johnny's going on his own to start with. He's getting ready there. Sam's very kindly driving us because obviously I can't drive and film at the same time. Well, we could, but it's not very good. The footage won't be very good from it. So I'll be hanging out this window with this camera, trying not to drop it whilst Johnny gives the bike a test. So here we go.
Tell us when you're ready.
Yep, ready.
Everyone ready, Dad?
Yeah.
We're ready.
Okay, come alongside. Gear's shifting, he's moving up a bit. Get in, supercharger. Oh, we're there. Go back past and I'll do it to you. You ready? Don't know if you can hear it outside or not, but it's loud. Holy sh**! Made me head go to... Oh, did he? Oh my god! Oh my god, that is insane, that. Wow! Wait, I'll pass this Dolomite, I'll give it to him back down. We'll turn round.
Turn round and then.
So, would you get on the other side of him this time?
Yeah. Calibrate yourself, Johnny. Calibrate yourself forward.
Oh, I can hear him with the...
Tickling his ear up, innit?
Yeah, I can hear it, yeah.
Can you hear him?
No, I can't hear it very well. Which side do you want me? His left hand side?
So,
side?
yeah, so whatever
Yeah,
side
I'll go on
he's
the
on,
left
I
side.
need to be on, if that makes sense.
You go on the left side, so we'll probably have to go right side of him.
Yeah.
Oh, is that
he's
like
just
alright with
offside.
that,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah, we'll just pause for 1 sec.
Yeah, no.
Tell him just to stop. Tell him to stop.
Transfer over. Because he's on this side. Yeah.
Cool. Sorry, I didn't shut your door. Oh, I didn't shut your door. Sorry, mate.
Further forward, Johnny.
What's that? You go, aye, this will leave that, like, you just go, aye.
As we go past the air Dolomite and then he'll come past it. Yeah. So like a
on. Tell you what, that is some wind like you've never felt it before.
Yeah. Was that alright?
Right, that's amazing. Thank you very much, Sam.
If you want to do any more runs, we've got time.
Yeah, I mean, ideally, I'd like to do a run or two with some photos, but we'll see what he says. Thank you so much. I'm a bit windswept now, but that was obviously really good fun. Good job we didn't go in the Dacia. We ended up going in the Mercedes because otherwise it would have been a bit too slow to keep up. So yeah, if you're interested to see more about this project, then stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll be giving loads more behind the scenes looks at this Guinness World Record attempt in the future. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Subscribe, like. I'll see you soon. Take it easy.